Hello everyone, I've decided to do some quick videos relating to maybe common questions that you might want answering, and just getting straight to the point and testing things out. So this is the first little test I've done. So as you can see, a couple of bits have had the clear varnish. I'm going to be using the black wash from Humbrol, which hasn't been brilliant, but we're going to give it a try. This is no gloss, no gloss, no gloss, and this side, this half is all glossed. So we'll just do it and see which one comes out best and if it's actually necessary to gloss it. Key thing, shake this black wash. It all collects up, it doesn't mix very well. Right in the middle to start with. This is no gloss on there. And it's going around okay. Let's compare with some gloss, and I'm hopefully going to see it move a bit quicker. Definitely a bit thicker, it's holding, yeah. Yeah, so the gloss, as you can see straight away, holds it in a, difficult to describe it, in a thicker way. Let's turn it over, do it again. Use a bit more. So for non-gloss. And gloss. Yeah, it does flow better on the gloss. Get a decent amount on there. So a couple of these parts have had a little bit of silver wash in the middle there. Whether that's a good or bad thing, we shall see. So this is non-gloss. And this is glossed. So it is tricky to see, that's for sure. But in my opinion, again, the gloss is a bit better, and also the colour is a bit brighter as well, this orange. So last one, let's try on here. Got some proper panel lines on here. So firstly, nice lot here, so non-gloss. And gloss. Definitely flows faster on that gloss, and probably a bit easier to clean up. Yeah, basically, for the sake of the cleanup, give it a little bit of gloss first. Because otherwise the wash goes into the acrylic paint and it's very messy to clear up, as you can see on this side. So yeah, in conclusion, definitely use a little bit of gloss and it will save you a lot of headaches. Thank you very much.